winner take all. And they're up. Maypan draws for your lead. Queen Star running in between runners. Then by the rail is Trinity Moon moving up. Is entry number 1, Run the Dance, running alongside Go Army, while Santerias running at the tail of. As they pass the last 1,000 meters, we have Maypan in command by 3/4 of a length. Lead by the rail is the favorite Queen Star. Trinity Moon racing in third now. Shuffle back in fourth and moving a party outside. Go Army, Run the Dance, Santeria. Rounding at the last 600, Maypan still leading the field by about a length. Closing in second by the rail is Queen Star. Go Army racing in third, then comes Run the Dance, Trinity Moon as they race at the last 450. 3 runners are now fighting out for the lead, making it 4 at a corner. Run the Dance by the rail, Maypan, Queen Star, Go Army, sorry outside. Queen Star, Go Army, sorry outside. Run the Dance by the rail. Queen Star, Go Army, Run the Dance by the rail. And leading the finish line, Go Army, Queen Star, Run the Dance. And finally at the finish line, Go Army, Queen Star, Run the Dance. Then comes number 2, Santeria, Maypan, and Trinity Moon.
Okay, 5-4-1-2.